Okay, welcome children. Now today we shall discuss about criteria for similarity of triangles. When would you say that the two triangles are similar? By definition you can say that two triangles are similar if all their corresponding sides are going to be proportional and their corresponding angles are going to be equal, but that gives us to relate six different elements, and every time we do not have six elements to be compared. So there are some shortcuts by which you can show that the triangles are similar to each other. Among that, the first criteria is AAA, that is angle 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 criteria. If you have two triangles in which all the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then the triangles are going to be similar to each other. So this is the first shortcut, that if three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of the another triangle, then we say that the two triangles are similar by the AAA criteria. Then you go to the AA criteria. AA criteria में we talk about any two angles. If any two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Now see children, if two angles are equal, जैसे कि एक triangle है जिसमें दो angles है 60 and 40, दूसरा ट्रायंगल है उसमें भी दो एंगल्स है 60 and 40. Now 60 plus 40 sums up to be 100. So the third angle which we are going to have is very obviously going to be in both the cases. See, I have two angles which I am talking about, 60 and 40. So very obviously the third angle is 80 in both the triangles. So all three angles will finally become equal. That means if you don't discuss the third angle, then also the third angle will be automatically congruent if two angles are congruent. So the second shortcut criteria is angle-angle criteria. That is, if in one triangle, two angles are equal to another triangle, two angles, then we say that the two triangles are similar by the AA criteria. Then you go to the next criteria, that is the side criteria. Side में क्या करना है? You take ratio of corresponding sides, and if for both the triangles, in two triangles, all the corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar by the SSS criteria. Then the next criteria is SAS, that is side angle side criteria. That means if in two triangles, two sides are proportional to the corresponding sides for the other triangle, and an angle included in both of them are also similar. जैसे कि for example, I have a triangle and I have the sides as 2 and say 5. And angle between 2 and 5 is, say for example, 60. Then I have another triangle, and in that another triangle I have another two sides, and say the another two sides I am going to talk about is say 6 and that is 15, and angle between them is again 60. So if I take the ratio 2 upon 6, so that is going to be 1 upon 3. And if I take the other ratio 5 upon 15, that is also going to be 1 upon 3. So that means the two sides the corresponding sides, both the ratios are equal. 2 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 15. And angle, included angle between the two corresponding sides must be equal. Then you say that the two triangles are similar by SAS criteria. Now, based on this, we have some sums in the next exercise. So, now we begin with exercise 6.3. In exercise 6.3, let us come to first question. And in the first question, they have given you two triangles. One is A, B, C, and another triangle is P, Q, and R. Now, in these two triangles, they only have given us that angle A is 60, B is 80, and C is 40. Similar manner in triangle PQR, P is 60, Q is 80, and R is 40. So this means that from the figure, I can say angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So I have here the corresponding angles to be equal. A equal to P, B equal to Q, and angle C equal to angle R. So therefore, three angles of triangle ABC are equal to the corresponding three angles of triangle PQR, and therefore I say by angle criteria, the two triangles ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Now, similar way, main question 1 only, the second sub question, again they have given two triangles and they are asking whether are the two triangles similar to each other or no. So this is what they are asking. Now, the one triangle is ABC, another is PQR, and sides given here are 2, 3 and 2.5, 6, 5 and 4. Let us try to take ratios of some sides which we may feel would correspond to each other. So by looking and observing it, you cannot directly start taking. You just think, give a thought for 2 minutes. If I take a ratio of 2 and 4, it will give me 1 upon 2. Same way, if I take a ratio of 3 and 6, it will give me 1 upon 2. And 2.5 and 5 will give me 1 by 2. So that means now we shall take the ratio of AB from the first triangle, which is 2, and QR of the second triangle, this QR of the second triangle, which is 4. So AB upon 4, that is 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, similar way, I go to the second side. I take BC. BC is 2.5. I take PR along with it in the ratio. So I say BC upon PR or RP is 2.5 upon 5 is 2.5 upon 5, and that is also going to be 1 upon 2. Same manner, now I go to the third side. See, AC is 3 and same way PQ is 6. So now I take the ratio of CA and PQ, that is 3 by 6, and it is 1 by 2. So this means that the three ratios are all equal to 1 by 2. So AB upon QR is equal to BC upon RP, that is equals to CA upon PQ. Since all three sides are going to be equal, I have one more shortcut criteria, that if all sides are going to be proportional, all three sides of one triangle are proportional to all three sides of the another triangle, then by side criteria, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QR and P. So, we were discussing the different criteria and we had discussed one SSS criterion over here, and that is the SSS criteria which we have used it over here in the second sub question. Now let us go to the next question. Now, in the third question, again they have given us two triangles, and the question is, are the two triangles similar to each other? Yes or no? So I first observe my sides and I try to take a relation between 2 and 4. So 2 upon 4 will give me 1 upon 2. I try to take the relation between 3 and 6. So that is also going to give me 1 upon 2. But 2.7 and 5 is not going to give me 1 upon 2. If I try out with other ratios, just say 2 upon 6, so it would give 1 upon 3. But 3 upon 4 does not give any ratio. 2.7 upon 5 does not give any ratio. So we try to take maximum coverage, we try to do where we are going to get equal ratios. So I take 2 with 4, I take 3 with 6, but 2.7 with the third side 5 does not give me an equal ratio. So I start with, in my figure, MP and along with that DE. MP along with that is DE. So I take ratio of MP and DE, which is 2 upon 4, that is 1 by 2. Then in my figure LP is there and here it is DF. So I take a ratio of LP and DF, and that is 3 by 6, which also gives me 1 by 2. But the third side, that is LM upon EF, when I take the third ratio, it is 2.7 upon 5, which is neither cancelling nor becoming equal to 1 upon 2. That means I don't know about the 3 angles, I don't know about 2 angles, तो A नहीं चलेगा, A करोलरी भी नहीं चलेगी, तो SSS all 3 sides are proportional वो भी नहीं चलेगा, SAS भी नहीं है यहाँ पे कुछ, तो that means by no criteria I can compare the two triangles to be similar. So we say that therefore the given triangles are not similar to each other. Now we go to question 1, the fourth sub question. Now they have given us two triangles and again asked the same question. Are the two triangles similar to each other? So let us see now. I have some sides given to us over here. If I take ratio of 2.5 with 5, so 2.5 with 5 will give me 1 upon 2. Then ratio of 5 and 10, that will also give me 1 upon 2. And between the two corresponding sides, see these are the two corresponding sides we are talking. And between the two corresponding sides, the angle is 70. सेम वे यहाँ पे हम ये जो दो साइड्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ये दोनों साइड के बीच का एंगल भी 70 है. दिस मीन्स द टू करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर proportional and included angle between the two corresponding sides are also equal. So by SAS you can say that the two triangles are similar. So let us think how to write it down. Now I take the ratio MN, that is 2.5, and यहाँ पे है PQ, that is 5. So I took the ratio MN upon QP, that is 2.5 upon 5, which is 1 upon 2. Then I take the ratio of the next side, that is ML, and the another side is QR over here. So now I take the ratio of ML and QR. So ML and QR, that is 5 upon 10, and that also gives me 1 upon 2. And between the two corresponding side angle is 70. Between the two corresponding side angle is 70. So now I say also included angle M is equal to angle Q. Here diagram the angle is M, here diagram the angle is Q. So therefore I have written angle M is equal to angle Q, and that is equal to 70, and therefore I can say that triangle MNL is similar to triangle QPR. Now, how should I write the name? There also lies a technique. See, my diagram, angle M has to come corresponding with the alphabet Q over here. So when I write angle M, I have to have the corresponding letter Q over here. Then I say MN का corresponding side was PQ. So along with MN, I should have PQ or QP. So I put the next alphabet as P and then the third remaining alphabet as R. So this ends with our question 4. Now let us go to the next question, that is question number 5. Again, they have given us two triangles and they are asking us whether the two triangles are similar or no. Let us think of taking the ratio. 2.5, I take a ratio with 5. So 2.5 upon 5 will give me 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6 will also give me 1 upon 2. And between the two corresponding side, angle is 80. But see in the first diagram, these are my two corresponding sides. तो मेरा एंगल भी 80 डिग्री होना चाहिए. अगर यहाँ दो साइड के बीच का एंगल 80 है तो यहाँ पे दो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के बीच का एंगल 80 होना चाहिए था. तो एंगल B को 80 कहना चाहिए था उनको, बट उन्होंने B के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बताया है. उन्होंने एंगल A को 80 बता दिया एंड 80 is not an included angle between the two corresponding sides. So therefore I have written that no, given triangles are not similar because the given corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides तो proportional है. 2.5 का रेशियो 5 के साथ 1/2 आता है. 3 का रेशियो 6 के साथ भी 1/2 आता है. Therefore I say the corresponding sides are proportional, but the corresponding included angle, दो corresponding side के बीच का जो angle होना चाहिए वो equal होना चाहिए और वो यहाँ पर equal नहीं है. तो the corresponding included angles are not equal in both the diagram. तो angle B must be equal to angle F, but यहाँ पे B is not given equal to F. So the included angles are not equal and therefore the triangles are not similar to each other. Then we go to the next question, that is question number 6. Main question 1, question number 6. I have a triangle DEF and DEF के अंदर I am having two sides over here 70 and 80, and here also I have another two angles given, one is 80 and one is 30. Now how should they have asked whether the two triangles are similar or no. So what I first do is, in this triangle DEF एक एंगल 70 है, दूसरा 80 है, तो सपोज मुझे तीसरा एंगल F फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट द थर्ड एंगल? तो आपको पता है कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल के अंदर तीनों एंगल का टोटल 180 होना चाहिए. तो अगर हमें दो एंगल्स पता है, इफ वी नो टू एंगल्स, I can subtract from 180 both the given angles and I will get the third angle. So from 180 I will subtract 70 and 80 both, and therefore 70 plus 80 is 150. 180 minus 150 is going to be 30. So this means that this angle F is going to be 30. So I got angle F as 30. Now I go to the next triangle. In the next triangle, I have 80, I have 30 and angle P is missing. So what I do is, again with the same criteria, angle P find out करना है. तो 180 में से ये दोनों angle minus कर लो. तो 180 minus 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30 is going to be 110. So 180 minus 110 is going to be 70. That means I got this angle to be 70. तो इसका मतलब है, अब दोनों डायग्राम्स को अगर हम ध्यान से देखते हैं तो एंगल D is 70 and angle P is also 70. So I say angle D is equal to angle P. अब पहले ट्रायंगल में एंगल E is 80 degree and here angle Q is 80. तो एंगल E is equal to angle P and both are 80. एंगल F is 30 and यहाँ पे एंगल R is 30. So therefore I can say that the three angles of the first triangle are equal to corresponding three angles of the another triangle, and therefore by AAA, that is angle criteria, the two triangles are similar to each other. नाम कैसे देंगे? D के साथ P जाना चाहिए, तो D के साथ अल्फ़ाबेट P आनी चाहिए, E के साथ अल्फ़ाबेट Q आनी चाहिए एंड F के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्फ़ाबेट R आनी चाहिए. Therefore triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Let's go to the next question. Now next question what they have is, I am given a diagram in that this angle, I have two sides, the straight line DB intersects the another straight line AC, and I have two lines across over here, but nothing is given to me regarding that line. Nothing has been given regarding that line, and I am told to find three angles. So I name the first angle which I want to find out, I call it as X. The second angle which I have to find out, I call it as Y. And this is the third angle which I have to find it out. Now I am given two things. This angle D is 70 and this angle here is 125. And I am also given one another thing, that these two opposite triangles are similar to each other. Yani ki their corresponding angles are equal and sides are proportional. So now I want to find out X, Z and Y. Now let me go to the first triangle D, O and C. If I talk of angle DOC, this is the triangle I am talking about. Then this angle 125, forget everything else in the diagram. So this is the triangle and 125 is an exterior angle. तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल के बाजू वाला एंगल नहीं लेने का, and other two angles are called as remote interior angles or interior angles, and the sum of the remote interior angles is always equal to the exterior angle. That means 70 degree plus x degree will be equal to 125. So 70 degree plus x degree is equal to 125. So now I have written 70 plus x is equal to 125, and the reason for that is the exterior angle theorem. This plus 70 I transfer to the other side and it becomes minus 70. 125 minus 70 gives me 55. So I found out the value of x as 55. Now I can find out this third angle by sum of the angles in a triangle भी मैं कर सकती हूँ. This 70 plus 55 को add करके 180 में से minus वो भी चलेगा. दूसरा, but the another simpler thing is Z and 125 form linear pair of angles. This angle Z and 125 degree form linear pair of angles. So therefore I say in my diagram Z plus 125 is equal to 180, and the reason is linear pair of angles. So plus 125 goes to the other side and I got it as minus 125, that 180 minus 125 is going to be 55. So I got Z also as 55. Now they have given to me in the question that the two opposite triangles, जो आपको डायग्राम में ये दो triangles दिख रहे हैं ना, the two triangles are similar to each other. So see, they have said that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Okay, so now with alphabet C, विच एंगल इज करस्पॉन्डिंग ए। तो मेरे डायग्राम के हिसाब से एंगल दिस एंगल x एंड एंगल y, ये जो x और y है, the two angles are corresponding angles for the two similar triangles. So therefore I say that since the two triangles are similar, those similar triangles में all three corresponding angles are equal. तो I say that according to what I have, तो फिगर के हिसाब से C corresponds to the alphabet A. तो C was angle X and alphabet A was angle Y. तो therefore x is equal to y, but मैं y already find out, x already find out कर चुकी हूँ कि x is 55, and now I say x is equal to y and x was 55, so therefore y is also 55. So this ends with the second question. Now we go to question number 3. Question number 3, you have already solved this question earlier, but with a different method you have done. You have done this with a different method. Now see how you had done that. Do you remember? You had drawn OP parallel. You had drawn OP like this, which was parallel to DC and which was parallel to AB, and you did the same proof with the basic proportionality and the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now in this case, how are we going to do? So it is given to you in the question that in the trapezium, the opposite sides AB and DC are parallel. AB is parallel to DC, and the two diagonals, they meet each other at the point O, and question is to prove that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So this is what I have to prove. Now how am I going to go about is, I take this diagram. Let us understand the diagram. See, in the diagram, DC is parallel to AB and AC acts as a transversal. AC acts as a transversal. So DC is parallel to AB and AC is a transversal. So this angle C and angle A, it forms a Z. See, it is forming a Z. So this angle and this angle are alternate angles. DC is parallel to AB, AC is the transversal, and it is forming a Z. So these two angles are alternate angles. Same manner, again I say DC is parallel to AB. DC is parallel to AB and DB is a transversal. Now this is a transversal, so it forms a ulta Z over here. See, this is forming an ulta Z. So therefore this angle here and the angle here, these two angles, this is this Z. So the cross ones are alternate angles. Now if you consider both these triangles, that is, if I'll shade it little lighter. So if I take this as one of the triangle, the opposite triangles I am going to take. In these two opposite triangles, angle D is equal to angle B because alternate angle. Angle C is equal to angle A because alternate angles. And therefore, now I have the two angles I have written equal, that is, they are alternate angles, and therefore I say that the two triangles are similar by AA criteria. So these are the two triangles which I am talking about. The shaded triangle, इसका ये angle, इस छोटे triangle का angle D और बड़े का B, छोटे triangle का angle C और बड़े angle का triangle का angle A. तो इस ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल और इस ट्रायंगल के दो एंगल इक्वल है, एंड देयरफॉर आई कैन से दैट बाय द angle criteria, two angles are equal in both the triangles. So by angle criteria, I can say that the two triangles are similar. अच्छा, अब कोई भी ट्रायंगल अगर हम सिमिलर लेते हैं तो उसकी जो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स होती हैं वो प्रपोर्शनल होती है. नाउ आई कैन टेक अ रेशो, बट रेशो लेते वक्त मैं ध्यान से रेशो लूँगी. सपोज मैंने ओ ए का रेशो लेना है तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट का रेशो लेना है, तो यहाँ का भी फर्स्ट और सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट होना चाहिए. तो ओ ए अपॉन ओ सी, तो हियर आई हैव रिटन सी. ओ ए फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का ओ ए और सेकेंड ट्राइंगल का ओ सी, तो ओ ए अपॉन ओ सी इज इक्वल टू, अब मैं फर्स्ट और थर्ड लूँगी तो ओ बी, तो इसका भी फर्स्ट और थर्ड लूँगी मैं, तो ओ डी, तो ओ बी अपॉन ओ डी. तो देयरफॉर आई प्रूव दैट ओ ए अपॉन ओ सी इज इक्वल टू ओ बी अपॉन ओ डी. Why these two are equal? Because since the two triangles are similar, all its angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are proportional. So I took a ratio of 2 of the corresponding sides which I wanted, and hence I proved that they are equal. Thank you children. We'll meet in the next session.